guys, welcome back to my channel. I got this hair sent to me by Nadula or Nadula hair. They're a pretty popular brand, the beginning of hair reviews. They sent me Brazilian body wave hair. I just straightened it. I got inches 228 and 126 with a 20-inch frontal. It's so freaking soft and it straightens like it. I know y'all watched in the clips before this how this hair straightened. This hair got bone straight off of one pass. I don't have no hair that gets bone straight to the ends on one pass and gets silky, not even bone straight, silky straight. Like, this hair is so silky, oh my gosh. And for it to be long hair, like the only long hair, like 28-inch I had was from Aliexpress, and I actually bought that myself. Y'all know what I have to say about Aliexpress hair. That hair tangles and sheds, and it's just, it wasn't a good experience for long hair. So that really got me thinking, probably all long hair is like that, because you know it's gonna tangle, it's long. But with this hair, no, like I don't get no type of tangling with this hair. I bleached the knots, that's why it's, you know, scalp like, because I bleached the knots. You could probably see some discoloration right here. I don't think I put any powder right there. That's where the lace actually is. I don't know if you could tell where it starts, but it's kind of a difference between this color and the color of my part. I'm gonna fix it though. I'm gonna put some makeup on it, but it blends. It's really soft, straightens like a breeze. Like, this shit straightens so freaking good. When I got the bundles out the pack and I smelled it, it smelled really good. It smelled like baby powder, baby oil. I love this hair. Hopefully I could work with this company again and get some different textures for you guys. But yeah, if you guys like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you like me, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.